Dear students, I am Srija teacher. Today I am going to take the class of computer networks. In this particular session, we should discuss about introduction of networks, need, application or uses of networks, the advantages and disadvantages of network, as well as the evolution of networks. Let me ask a question. What is a network? Network means if two systems are interconnected together that can exchange information. Likewise, we can share millions of computer net together. Come to the next topic, that is need and application of a network. By default, the networks are needed and it is applicable or it is used for mainly three purposes, that are resource sharing, communication, and also for remote login. Thereby, the network become more reliable and it consumes less time, as well as the cost also very less. In detail, what is resource sharing? Resources like data, hardware and software can be shared through network. The next need is communication. Nowadays, we are all doing chatting, audio conferencing, video conferencing, emailing for sending and receiving of valuable informations. The third one is remote login. It is nothing but making a practice of availability of our system to another system which is in remote location. The next one is disadvantages of network. If a network is badly managed, then it becomes unusable. If the central system fails, the entire network becomes failure. It is very important that the security of files must be carried out. For that, additional softwares like antivirus we should have to install in our system for the better running of any network. Also, we need a skilled person for administrating the network. The next one is evolution of network. In 1969, ARPANET is developed by Defense Department of US, which will connect 4 universities via a telephone link. In mid of 80s, National Science Foundation Network developed NSFNet. Later, this ARPANET and NSFNet is connected together with some other networks. Then it formed Internet. That is, Internet is the network of networks. Let me discuss about the common terms which are used in networks. That are node, server, channel, data transfer rate, protocol, etc. Let me discuss what is a node. It is nothing but a simple system which can transfer a request. Server is responsible for giving responses as well as processing the request, etc. The channel is a wired or wireless medium through which the data are transferred. The fourth one, data transfer rate. It is the measure of data transferring from source to destination. Its unit may be in bits per second or in hertz. The last one is protocol. It is a set of rules or standards that should be followed by both source, channel and the destination in a network. Hope you all understand about these topics. Thank you so much.